is Sheetal. Today I'm going to teach you a glycolic acid based home remedy, and guess what, you don't need a med spa visit because this glycolic acid is all natural. Now this remedy is going to leave your skin glowing, and if you have issues, let's say around dark spots or dullness, unevenness of skin, then the ingredients of this remedy, and there are only 4 ingredients, they work beautifully together to reduce the appearance of such concerns also. Alright, before I get started, I'll say hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and of course tell me in comments what you thought of this video and what you would like the next video to be about. Okay, without further ado, let me get started with this remedy. The first ingredient that we need is powdered brown sugar, and it is this powdered brown sugar that is a wonderful source of glycolic acid. And glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, and it's used either in a synthetic form or very highly concentrated form in these med spa sort of settings, and therefore it can be a very dangerous substance to use on your skin. It can leave your skin very sensitive and sore, and ironically even more prone to hyperpigmentation. But brown sugar being such a natural source of glycolic acid at a very reasonable, skin-friendly concentration, this becomes a very good ingredient for this particular remedy. Ingredient number 2 is Besan, and Besan is a very important Ayurvedic beauty care ingredient, mostly for its oil absorption properties. So if your skin tends to be, let's say, a little oily or combination, then this is a wonderful ingredient to use in this remedy for that reason. And for those of you that may not know what Besan is in English it's called gram flour. The third ingredient is rice flour, and this is very easily bought at a natural food store or even an Indian grocery store. And rice flour also has very good oil absorption properties, but aside from that, it's mildly granular, so that in this remedy then it can help exfoliate the top layers of your skin, so your skin can look glowing and dark spots can be plated. The last ingredient is just plain water. If you have rose water, that's wonderful, but water will do. So you want to start small, and we want to make a thick paste, and you want to mix it for a minute or 2 until the sugar is completely dissolved, and it's ready right now. Okay, so before I get started, I'm going to take off my makeup, and if you have any makeup on, you should do that too. This is going to go on my skin, and it feels sticky, as it should. There is brown sugar in it, so that is the reason. And you apply it all over your skin. Use it once in a week. Any more than that is not necessary. Once a week is quite plenty for this. So after it dries, you are going to slightly wet your skin, and you're going to, with gentle circular strokes, you're going to massage your skin as though you were scrubbing it. So it'll be like this for about like 2 or 3 minutes. And then wash your skin with lukewarm water, and then never forget to use your daily skincare routine right after. That's very important. In earlier videos, I know a lot of you asked me about my serum, toner and serum, the toner and Apsara toner and serum that I use. So I thought I'm going to show these products to you today. So the toner I use is Apsara Rose Glycerin Toner. It is for dry skin. My skin tends to get dry, slightly, not a whole lot. So that is the toner. And the serum that I've used for so many years is Apsara's Sweet Almond and Wheat Germ Age Defense Serum. I use both these products AM and PM, just a spritz of toner, and let it dry for about not all the way, let's say 90%, and then 3 or 4 drops of the serum. Massage very gently upward strokes, morning and night. So that is my Apsara routine that I would do if I were doing a home remedy like this one. So I hope you found this video super useful. Talk to me, tell me what you would like the next video to be all about. Up until the next time, take care, go natural, it is good karma.